up? So this is a little bit different than other unboxings I've done because I've never bought one of these before. This is the March Target Beauty Box. It's only $7. I figured, what the hell? One of my friends bought it first and then was like, dude, it was only $7. I was like, really? Let me check this out. And I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna throw $7 at it. Why not? It's not even a subscription thing. It's if you go on the site and order it, you get it, and it's free shipping, so why the hell not? Maybe I'll start doing these, I don't know. I could still get the one for February if I wanted to right now, because they still have them available, but I wasn't that interested in what that one had, so I didn't. But for the March one, let me go ahead and get this puppy open. Mostly to get my address off of it before I hold it up again and possibly screw up and show it on camera, but... Whoop! Well, apparently it won't be read now because I just tore through it. Okay, off that goes. So, here's the box. It's not terrible. It's actually a really thick cardboard box. I may hold on to this just for stationery or something, like small, like postcard, gift card, not gift card, what am I thinking? Greeting card type stuff, put them in here. But yeah, so, unlike Ipsy, it's not a total surprise. You do see what's in it going in, but I have little Miss Goldfish brain here, so I've already forgotten what's in it, but I know this one has 6. It's not always the same number of products each time, but that's what it is this time. Apparently February had more, but I really didn't care about what it had. So, first thing we see is this. March into spring. If you spent your winter hibernating and sipping hot cocoa, you are not alone. No shame in our game. But now that the days are getting longer and the weather's getting warmer, it's time to get glowing stat. To the rescue, our box of beauty finds that'll help you march into spring more radiant than ever. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Like what you tried, we want to see what we want to see what you got, what you loved, and how you styled it. Tag us with hashtag #TargetBeauty or hashtag #TargetBeautyBox. Then on the back, we've got what all is in it. Maybe I will read these off as I pull them out of the thing. But yeah, so there's some yellow tissue paper in here. It's kind of cute. Okay, so let's see, where do we start? We've got a bunch of Target tape around everything, so it looks awkward. I'm gonna just go in order of what's on here. Let me take off the Target tape if I can. It's really stuck on there, but I guess they did not want to chance anything leaking, which I don't blame them. Is this washi tape? No, it's not. Never mind. Stupid question. Okay. So this is Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for Sensitive Skin. Perfect. What it says on here, rose water extract acts as a natural astringent, gently removing excess oil and grime, while rose gold shimmer gives sun a subtle glow. No parabens or sulfates and cruelty-free. Interesting. Good for 12 months after opening. Can we smell it? I want to smell it. That actually smells really, really good. It's like not even an obnoxious, like, nose-irritating type rose. That's just really nice. Depending what that costs and if it works well for me, I might just buy the full version of that. That actually, I like that already. I haven't even used it yet. Okay, next thing in here is Love Beauty and Planet Smooth and Serene Argan Oil and Lavender Shampoo, which is another thing that just by name alone I will probably end up buying if it's not stupidly priced. I think I was looking at it on there and was considering just buying it at the same time, because I seem to remember this one was decently priced as well. Yep, Smooth and Serene Shampoo, calming definition for frizzy hair. Oh yes, that's me. And acts of love for our planet. How can you make a little difference every day in your shower? There is a clue in our name. Love, Beauty, and Planet. That's not a clue. Beauty, calm your frizz for hair that's oh so smooth. This shampoo, infused with golden argan oil, nourishes for healthy-looking hair. Delicately surround your hair in a cloud of heirloom French lavender. Planet, we are committed to acts of love that make you and our planet a little more beautiful every day. Find out how at lovebeautyandplanet.com. Oh, I forgot the and. How to use. You know it! Squeeze, lather, and rinse. Go easy on the tap. Yes, organic coconut oil. Yes, safe for colored hair. Yes, vegan. Yes, with plant-based cleanser. Yes, not tested on animals. Bottle made from 100% recycled plastic. And we have got water, aqua, sodium lauryl sulfate, plant-based ingredients, cocoa midopryl betaine, sodium chloride, lavender oil, argania spinosa kernel oil, coconut oil, glycol fragrance, sodium benzoate, citric acid, polyquaternium 10, cocoamide MEA, PPG9, disodium EDTA, citronolol, coumarin, limonene, and linalool. What is coumarin? That sounds... Oh, I'm thinking Coumadin. I was like, wait, isn't that like a medication? But no, this is different. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. But then again, lavender is my favorite scent in the entire world, so of course I like that. That is nice. I am very possibly going to get the full size of that. Next on our list... Oh, wait. So that was the shampoo. They also gave us the matching conditioner. Ooh. Okay. Well. Oh no, part of this came off. Oh. Oh no. There it is. Okay. Got it. There's so many stickers on my floor now. Say anything different? Let's compare. It's a slightly bigger bottle, too. You know it. After shampooing, spread through your gorgeous wet locks. Avoid the roots. Rinse. Go easy on the tap. I actually did not know about avoiding the roots. So again, yes to organic coconut oil, yes, safe for colored hair, yes, vegan, yes, with plant-based detanglers, yes, fast rinse, yes, not tested on animals, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. Woot woot. I shall smell again. Whoa! It is full. Mmm! Oh, again, I like that. Oh, I am all about these. That is lovely. Okay. Ooh, something Tresemme. I like the Tresemme. We have got Tresemme Botanique Nourish and Replenish Mask. Is this for hair or for skin? Results in one use. Yeah, it is. It's more than one use. I'm not sure. Well, I'm glad that this is different than the one on the website. So the one they showed on the website was coconut, and I was like, crap, I'm going to have to give it to Kimmy. But apparently I don't, because it's pomegranate and camellia oil. Or camellia! I can read. Camellia oil. I'm stupid. We all knew that, but, can we tell who didn't go to college? Yeah! Tresemme, used by professionals, sulfate-free system, Botanique, color vibrance, and shine, intensive mask with pomegranate and camellia, I almost said it again, camellia oil, 0% parabens or dyes, intense nourishment for vibrant color, up to 8 weeks. Let's see here. Oh, for color-treated hair. Well, mine is not color-treated, but it may be soon, because I may be trying out some henna, so I suppose this will come in handy for that. How to use: apply generous amount to wet hair, massage from roots to ends, leave in for additional 3 to 5 minutes for deeper conditioning, rinse thoroughly, no need for to use conditioner, complete your look with your favorite Tresemme styling products. Cool! Oh, and there was, a tip for the Love Beauty and Planet one. Before shampooing, soak hair with lukewarm water, which will help open pores for a better wash. I definitely already do that. For this one, apply a generous amount from mid-shaft to ends, leave on hair for 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse thoroughly, use once a week or as needed. Okay. Brings us to the last 2 things. We have got Shea Moisture, matcha green tea, and probiotics. Soothing toner and hydrating mist with milk thistle. Okay. I don't know what that's for. Antioxidants in matcha green tea help hydrate and soothe redness, while nourishing probiotics help restore and balance to the skin to fight future flare-ups. Oh! For an extra boost of hydration, spritz onto skin before applying your daily moisturizer. Okay. It's 2-in-1 facial toner. Ah, see, I thought for some reason it was hair toner, and I was like, well, I don't bleach my hair, so... Facial toner. I'm a dumbass. Okay, this 2-in-1 facial toner and hydrating mist with matcha green tea, known to be rich in antioxidants and good for you probiotics, helps to soothe and restore balance of skin. Take on the day with smooth and hydrated skin. Okay, let's see. Check what all is it? Oh, it has witch hazel. Okay, interesting. Yogurt extract. That's interesting as well. Got a bunch of aloe, shea butter, camellia powder. Let's see. No, Silly Bum. That's a great name. Silly Bum Marianum seed extract. Whatever the hell that is. Lactobacillus. Oh, we do have probiotics. I'm surprised that's not in with the yogurt extracts. Milk ferment filtrate. Inulin. Is that like insulin but different? All sorts of stuff in now. Very interesting. No expiration date listed, but I mean, you know, it is an active culture. Let's smell. That actually smells really good too. So far, I'm loving everything. So do you just like spray it on, or do you rub it in, or what do you do? Guys, tell me, how do I use this stuff? I think you just spray it on, but I'm not positive. And then finally, also by the same brand, Shea Moisture, sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed. Silicone-free miracle styler leave-in treatment with marshmallow root. Sounds delicious. I know you don't eat it, but still, just the stuff that's in it. Let's see. Innovative blend of sugarcane and nourishing botanicals leave tresses tangle-free so strands are manageable and luxurious. Well, that would be nice, wouldn't it? No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no propylene glycol, no phthalates, no animal testing, no petrolatum. Our story. Sophie Tucker. Wait. Is it that Sophie Tucker, the singer? Sophie Tucker started selling shea nuts at the village market in Bonthi, Sierra Leone in 1912. By age 19, the widowed mother of 4 was selling shea butter, African black soap, her homemade hair and skin preparations all over the countryside. Sophie Tucker was our grandmother, and Shea Moisture is her legacy. It can't be that Sophie Tucker. Through community commerce, you help empower disadvantaged women to realize a brighter, healthier future. Well, that all sounds good. Miracles do happen. This leave-in treatment does it all. Detangles, nourishes, softens, helps with brush glide, adds shine, smooths to reduce frizz, and enhances silkiness. Okay. An innovative blend of sugarcane, meadow foam, seed oil, marshmallow root, nourishing botanicals make this high-slip formula great for tangle-free manageability and hair health. Leaves hair smooth, soft, and lustrous. Spray into the palm of hand and gently run fingers through dry, styled hair or mist through damp hair prior to detangling or heat styling. Style as desired. Well, I don't need to style it, but I'm tempted to just try it right now. Sugarcane extract, natural alternative to multitasking silicones. Meadow foam seed oil, beneficial properties include moisturizing and added shine. Marshmallow root detangles and reduces frizz with weightless conditioning. Let's see what else in it. So far, it all looks really good. Let's say, well, first let's do a little sniffy, since I've done it with everything else. That's the best smelling one out of all of them. Oh my goodness, that smells like straight up perfume. I'm in love with that. So how did it say there? Palm of the hands, gently run fingers through dry styled hair. Well, I say screw it. Let's do it. Roll my sleeves up a little bit. To the palm of my hand, right? Is there a thing on here? Oh, yeah. There's a little lock. I undo that. Oh! Okay. I don't know how much to use, but, that's a really fine stream? Something like that, maybe? Because I got a bunch of hair? No, whoa. Okay. That's probably way more than I needed, but, I've washed my hair anyway, so if this doesn't go well, it'll be okay. Actually, I may use more than that, just... probably shouldn't have done it down to the roots. Now my hair is gonna look greasy, but screw it. I'm just gonna go with it and see how we do, because it smells so good. I was like, I just want this on my hair, like, now. Yeah, I'm gonna use some more. Okay. Back to... Okay. I guess whatever I upload later, we'll see how it looks dried. Check back for results, but so far it doesn't feel like nasty greasy or anything. It's just, it's light. It's kind of nice, but I mean, yeah, obviously it looks a little separated right now because it's still wet, but I'm sure that'll dry, but it smells so good. Like, I cannot even begin to tell you how good that smells. Jeez, like, they did a really good job of incentivizing people wanting to buy the full products, because, good lord, everything so far, I'm just like, yes, please, give me all the things. Okay, let's put the lock back on there so I don't accidentally shoot that without meaning to. Good. So, let me go ahead and brush my hair with my wet brush. Okay. So far, it's very smooth, but again, it is still wet. So, that doesn't necessarily tell us a lot. But we will see. But for $7, guys, all of this stuff, I feel like this is money better spent than Ipsy, personally, just for me. I'm not canceling Ipsy for this. I still got my Ipsy bag for this month. I have no problem doing both. But yeah, I'm very, very intrigued for in the future now. If the Target beauty boxes have good stuff in them like this, where I'm like, I would definitely totally use that, I think I may very well buy them and open them up on camera here and share with you guys, because this, I was like, I honestly forgot that these were a thing. Somebody mentioned it to me forever ago, and then I forgot about them. So, now that I've been reminded, I'm like, oh yeah, I should buy one and unbox it on YouTube. Why the hell not? Because I don't really see much, and I'm sure there's plenty of channels that do it, but of the people I watch, I don't really see anybody buy these. So I was like, I forgot they were a thing. I feel bad, because this is actually really good. At least I think so anyway. So, wow, I didn't realize this went for almost 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up again. Check back later, and we'll see how the hair looks once it's all dried in and everything. But yeah, so all I know is it smells heavenly. It smells so good. So anyways, that is it for this one. So, as usual, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. What was your favorite thing amongst the stuff that I got in this box? Do you buy the Target beauty boxes? Do you think they're worth it? Let me know your thoughts down below, as well as anything else you feel like leaving me. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Twitter, my Instagram, Facebook fan page, Etsy, everything is all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.